is for alligator splashing in the mud. B is for bear climbing trees with a thud. C is for chameleon changing colors so bright. D is for dolphin jumping high in the light. E is for elephant big and so bold. F is for fox who's clever and quick in the cold.
Hey! Hey! J and G is for giraffe standing tall in the sky. H is for hippo splashing as the birds fly by. I is for iguana exploring the sandy land. J is for jaguar prowling where the trees stand. K is for kangaroo leaping over the stream. L is for lion, the savannah's king and queen. Hey! 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 M is for monkey swinging vine to vine. N is for narwhal in the Arctic's brine. O is for owl, wise under the moon. P is for penguin waddling a happy tune. Q is for quail, running through the field. R is for rabbit with the carrot yielding shield. Hey! 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 That S is for snake, slithering quick and sleek. T is for tiger whose roar is unique. U is for uriel scaling mountains so steep. V is for vulture soaring in the skies deep. W is for whale singing songs in the sea. X is for xenops in the jungle so free. Y is for yak trudging through snow. Z is for zebra with stripes in a row. Hey!